Hey boys and girls, Murray here with PhoneArena. Today we're checking out the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip and we're shooting in Full HD. The resolution is a bit lower in order to check out some features that apparently don't work in higher resolution like 4K or 8K. This phone can do 8K. So in Full HD we can use the different lenses in real time. Let's check this out: the ultra wide and zoom lens. Let's check out the autofocus real quick. And of course the audio zoom feature, where you can zoom on an object and hear the noise that's coming out of it. Let's check this with a vehicle. I'll try to zoom on a car and see if we can hear the noise from the engine. This one seems to have a diesel engine, so let's check it out. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We'll record another video in higher resolution just to check image quality.